This is my 1 month update of the Gardyn 4.0. As you can see, we have a lot of greenery going on here. So I did not set this up. My husband set it up, so I can't tell you how hard or easy it was. I can tell you that he did it very quickly. So I'm assuming that it went very well. I know it did come with a lot of instructions within the box, and also they have help guides online to walk you through how to set it up. Some features of this model: you have the 2 cameras, one on the right side, one on the left side, down there, that will monitor the garden for you, and you can view the live images in the app at any time. I am impressed with the growth of everything, for these coming from seeds to being where they are now. They're looking really good. A lot of these have about 1 more month to go before I can start harvesting. Some of the herbs though are ready to go. For example, like the cilantro, you can see here, I've been picking at it a little bit and eating the pieces off of it. Same with my dill down here. I just picked a big piece off of it earlier today and had some of that. Even some of these leafy greens, I've been picking at them, you can see here. Just to get a taste of it. It is so delicious when it's so fresh like that. Let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to help answer any that you may have.